The first thing you need to make a decision, are you using U substitution or not? What do you think on 6? Should you use it or no? Yeah, you're looking for a function being plugged into another function. Okay, I've got a function inside of another one. This right here is inside of sine. Okay, so I need to have U. The other thing you want to see, hey, it's an E problem, and I'm doing U substitution. So you need to decide, is it going to be the exponent that's my U, or is it the whole E part that's going to be my U? The whole E. You see two E's, you know that E is going to be in your U. Okay, so it's E to the negative 2x. Anything in there is going to be my U. No, it's what's being plugged in. E is what's being plugged in. Here's the other way you can tell. Okay, let's take the derivative of that. The derivative of e to the negative 2x. Well, that's just e to the negative 2x times negative 2. Okay. Notice that if I plug this in over here, it's going to cancel with that e that's already there. Okay, the whole goal is to get rid of the rest of it. If I made it the whole thing, the whole sine part, the derivative would be cosine, and it's not going to cancel with anything. I want it to cancel. Okay, so here it's going to be du over negative 2 e to the negative 2x is all equal to dx. So again, you're looking at the rest. So this right here is where my u is going to be. The rest of that stuff better be part of my derivative if I'm doing a u substitution. Okay, now we can plug in what we know. E to the negative 2x, that's still there. It's going to be sine, but now it's going to be sine of u times dx. Well, this is what we're plugging in for dx. du all over negative 2 e to the negative 2x. Go to there. Now what? E to the negative 2x, e to the negative 2x. The negative 1/2 is going to pull out in front. Okay? And I can integrate sine of u. What is the antiderivative of sine of u going to be? Cosine negative, so it's going to be positive, of u plus c. To finish it, since I'm not plugging in any numbers, I'm just going to replace what u is. So it's 1/2 cosine e to the negative 2x plus c. Yes, if you're not plugging u back in, what's u? Okay, we don't know what it is. We want you to see you plug that back in. So if it's a plus c problem, you're going to plug it back in. If it's not a plus c, then you're never really going to go back to that u anymore. Like if it add bounds, we're not going to look at that anymore. But it's a plus c, think I got to plug my u back in.